So today I'm going to teach you how to install Android apps on your PC. You just need to go to bluestacks.com. I'll put the link down in the description and download the installer. So once it's finished installing, just sign in with Google. Stop. So once it's finished, open up the Google Play Store and you can download any of these if you want. I'm going to download Clash Royale, so just hit install. So once it's installed, just go back home and you'll see Clash Royale has showed up. So just open it up and you'll see that game controls come up. So if you're playing a game like PUBG or a game that you don't want to click a whole lot, then you can tap this keyboard icon right here and then you can have your own custom game controls. So that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to know how to get the macOS Mojave Dynamic Wallpaper, I'll put the link down in the description. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.